Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you a comprehensive beginner's guide to unlocking online earnings this 2023. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Let's dive right into the first method, which is affiliate marketing. Imagine you're just a regular shopper searching for self-improvement books. You do a quick search for the top 5 self-help books, and as you browse, you see a review page of these books. Then one particular book grabs your attention. When you click on it, you're whisked away to Amazon. Now what's happening is something called an Amazon affiliate link. So if you decide to buy this book and toss it into your cart, Amazon will actually toss a bit of cash back to the blogger. They usually get a cut between 6 to 15%. But hold on, there's a nifty twist with Amazon's affiliate program. If you happen to shop around and buy more stuff on Amazon in the next 24 hours, our blogger friend gets a piece of that pie too. Now let's switch gears and find another way to find affiliate opportunities. Imagine a website called Moo that sells snazzy business cards. If you type in Moo affiliate in your search bar, you'll land on a page that spells out the deal. For each customer you send to Moo who buys something, you score $8. Guess what? If those customers keep returning and buying more, you get an extra 2.5. What's really cool about affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to shell out any money up front. All you need is a way to get people to check out your recommending stuff. That's why many folks who create content like YouTube videos or blogs jump on the affiliate marketing train. It's a way to bring in some income without any significant investment. Moving ahead, let's delve into our next avenue, Kindle publishing. As a facet of Amazon, Kindle is one of the world's top 3 search engines. To illustrate this, let's put ourselves in the shoes of a casual seeker, searching for insights into enhancing our social skills. Our inquiry leads us to a treasure trove of book choices. Amidst the selection, it's interesting that only a handful originate from renowned publishing houses. However, the crux of Kindle publishing resides in cultivating a book portfolio. Picture this, a scenario where 100 books each accrue a modest 2.5 daily. The cumulative outcome becomes substantial, potentially rivaling a yearly salary. Let's consider a book that's doing really well in popularity. With some clever tactics, you can aim for similar success. Imagine a book priced at $6, and the author makes $5 for each sale. You can see a pattern when you look at how many copies it sells each day. A book ranking around 19,000 is likely to sell about 1 copy daily. When the ranking goes to around 50,000, the sales might go up to 2 copies daily. And if the ranking is about 25,000, the sales could be even higher, about 4 to 5 copies daily. So even from just one book, you could make about $25 daily. Now picture having 10 books with a similar success pattern. That could add up to around $250 daily, a decent income stream. This strategy isn't limited to just one topic either. It works for various subjects. This concept is malleable and adaptable across multiple categories, spotlighting Kindle publishing's potential to germinate revenue. Now if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's dig into the next method, which revolves around using Instagram as a money-making platform. Out of all the social media places out there, Instagram is like a cash cow, mainly because its visual appeal is a lot like virtual window shopping. Think about a page like Millionaire Mentor. They've got a whopping 10.5 million followers, and they're raking it in. The first thing you notice is that link in their bio. Click on that and you're taken to a page where real money magic happens. They're all about getting folks to board for paid workshops, courses, and whatnot. That's where their main moolah is coming from. Now let's swing our attention to another page, Motivation Mafia, boasting a remarkable 2.5 million followers. Here's where things get interesting with shoutouts. See, they've posted something and in the caption, they're giving props to another page. In this case, Heart Drake. This is like a big time nod to another page. Folks are willing to shell out some serious bucks to get that nod. The cost can differ, but those with under 100,000 followers might pay between $25 and $100. The payment climbs as an account's sway gets stronger. If you're dealing with accounts boasting more than 1 million followers, you're looking at no less than a 4-digit sum for a shoutout. So for these 2 pages, that's gotta be a lot of digits. The cool part? This turns into a steady cash flow, because they're constantly churning out new content. Doesn't matter if it's a post from 6 hours ago, 4 hours ago, or every couple of hours. Each of these is a few $100 waiting to happen. The sweet deal is that it doesn't take a lot of sweat. It's just about making a new post and watching the money roll in. Yet another avenue for earning income is by engaging in sponsorships. Let's look at an example from the page Jim Memes Official. In this case, not only did the page give a shout out to Do You Even, but it's evident that Do You Even operates an online store through their website. This practice falls under the category of sponsorships, where the company, Do You Even, compensates Jim Memes Official with a substantial amount of money in exchange for a shoutout. This serves the dual purpose of promoting their page and driving significant traffic toward their offerings. Let's explore the final method on our list, Fiverr. Fiverr is a dynamic platform with remarkable growth in recent years, making it a substantial avenue for income generation. The core idea here is fascinating. Individuals offer their services for a starting price of just $5. While this might seem trivial, let's dive deeper into the strategies used by top sellers in various categories to turn this seemingly modest fee into a lucrative venture. These top sellers aren't merely handling one project at a time, they're adept at managing multiple orders concurrently. However, what truly amplifies their earnings are the extras they provide. These supplementary services, known as gig extras, often involve expedited delivery, extended revisions, or more comprehensive offerings. These extras come with significantly higher price tags, transcending the initial $5 boundary. Fiverr's appeal also lies in its adaptability. Specific categories like graphic design lend themselves remarkably well to automation and outsourcing. Many of these talented individuals are situated across the globe, from the Philippines to India, offering cost-effective solutions without compromising quality. Securing a coveted position among the top sellers doesn't necessarily hinge on accumulating many reviews. It's more about providing a distinctive edge that appeals to clients seeking specialized services. What's intriguing is that numerous design projects can be accomplished through existing online tools and resources. The thing to keep in mind is that most people lack awareness of these resources or the technical skills to execute them. This creates a niche for individuals who can bridge this gap. By positioning yourself strategically on Fiverr and catering to these needs, you can potentially create a steady and rewarding income stream. Fiverr acts as a bridge, connecting people seeking specific services with skilled providers. It's a realm where expertise translates into earnings, and seemingly small gigs can accumulate substantial financial gains over time. These diverse methods we've explored, affiliate marketing, Instagram, Kindle publishing, and Fiverr, all stand as a testament to the incredible potential for supplemental income and even full-fledged revenue streams in the digital age. Just a few years back, only a tiny portion of the global population accessed the internet regularly. However, in a mere decade, this figure has surged to nearly 45%. The reality is, if you aspire to own a business, be your own boss, or achieve financial autonomy, the internet holds the crucial answer. The internet and technology have ushered in a new era of opportunities, enabling individuals to take ownership of their business, time, and financial aspirations. Whether leveraging affiliate marketing to earn a portion of sales, harnessing the visual allure of Instagram for shoutouts and promotions, capitalizing on Kindle publishing to craft a portfolio of income-generating ebooks, or offering specialized services on platforms like Fiverr, the avenues are vast. Aspiring entrepreneurs and those seeking financial independence now have various tools, making it more feasible than ever to forge their path to success in online business. So, seize this opportunity, but remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. Happy earning, and best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.